the channel and welcome back to the next episode of investing 3K into the crypto bear market. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, if I had 3K to invest into the crypto bear market right now, the first crypto I would invest in is Equify. All right, you guys know Equify. I did a video on it. All right, and I did a review. Okay, and I'm really bullish on this project and I think it has a lot of potential. So I would put 1 grand into Equify. All right. You can see it had an all-time high of just under 80 cents. So around 72 cents. Okay. Now, if I were to invest 1K into Equify, that would give me about 100,000 tokens. All right. So we'll just say 100,000 tokens even. Okay. Now, should Equify get to a $150 million market cap, because it's only trading at a $2.7 million market cap right now, that would give me $57,000 out of my $1,000 invested into Equify. That would be a 55x. All right, not bad. Equify is still beat down, 97% down from its all-time high. It's a true gem and a sleeping giant, in my opinion. Moving on to crypto number 2. Crypto number 2 is Unibrite. So Unibrite, you can see last bull run, it hit about $4. It's trading at about 18 cents right now. It's decimated. Now, I haven't really covered this project on the channel. All right. But this project is similar to Quant in a lot of ways, with interoperability and working with, commercial companies and connecting them and bringing them into the blockchain space. Okay, this is a big project. I want you guys to do your own due diligence on this project and check it out and research it, because I think it's going to be massive. You can see here we got 150 million tokens in circulation, and that is the max supply. So all the tokens are out. We got a $27.5 million market cap. Okay, and I think that there's massive potential for Unibrite once the market realizes what this is. All right, and if I recall correctly, it is added to Coinbase assets. All right, so Unibrite, let's move on to Unibrite. If I had 1 grand, that would give me 5,000 tokens. Okay, now if Unibrite hit a $750 million market cap, which I believe it can, because last bull run it hit a $600 million market cap. So I'm using 750, okay, as a ballpark figure as to where it can go next bull run. That's a 26x on your money with Unibrite. All right, so you stand the chance of turning $900, which is 5,000 tokens even at today's price, into 25 grand. Not a bad return for Unibrite. I think we're still in the bear market, so you got time to accumulate this asset. Okay, let's move on. All right, next crypto is another crypto I have not talked about on the channel, but I'm bullish on this project. All right, it's called DSLA protocol. Okay, DSLA protocol hit an all-time market cap of 150 million and is trading at 3 million right now as far as market cap. Okay, this is what I also like. All of the tokens are out. Literally, look, 5.7 billion tokens. There's 5.5 billion tokens in circulation. There's nobody to dump on you but holders of the token. You see what I'm saying? So we got a market cap of 3.1 million. Okay, and the all-time high price was a little over 2 cents. Guys, from where it is now at 0.0056 to 2 cents, that's a crazy gain. That's an insane gain. Okay, so while I'm bullish on this project, take a look at their 2023 roadmap. You can see that these guys are launching their own blockchain. Yes, I say again, they're launching their own blockchain. Look, June 13th, 2023, the DSLA chain, the sovereign network of DSLA family of products, launches its testnet. They're launching a wallet in September. Okay, they're also getting into Gamify. They're getting into ZK EVM, ZK Rollups, Ethereum Virtual Machine in March. This is going to move in the next 90 days, I think. All right. The metaverse. Okay. They're getting into the metaverse. All right. I think there's a very bright future for this project and the market has not realized it yet. This is your chance to buy 1 million DSLA tokens for $560. Seriously. All right. So let's move on. All right. I want to keep this real short. I know you guys got things to do. I know I got things to do. I got more cryptos to research, more gems for you guys. Okay. So check it out. If we put 1 grand into DSLA right now, we're going to get 1.8 million tokens. Okay. Now, should DSLA get back to 2.7 cents, that is a 47x. Yes, that's a 47x. I think DSLA protocol is going to be the Harmony 1 of the next bull run. I think this is a sleeper. It's going to take a lot of people off guard, right? I think a lot of people are going to be surprised by DSLA protocol, and they're going to be talking about it. Okay. So why do I think it's going to do like a Harmony 1 next bull run? All right. So if you look at Harmony 1, I think at the time they released more tokens because they got hacked or something like that, if I recall correctly. You guys know more about that? Drop it in the comments. I think their previous max supply was it was under 10 billion. But in order to compensate everybody who lost money, I think they printed more tokens, which diluted the price. Okay. But in any event, you can see here, this was trading at half a penny. And I remember when it came out because it dropped in the last bear market. It came out around the time that Polygon Matic came out. They came out around the same time. But anyway, it went from under half a penny. Right? It was under half a penny. And then in the height of the bull run, it hit upwards of 30 cents, guys. When you got cryptos like this, it's like lightning in a bottle, but they're like lottery tickets. All right. So you can see it had a crazy run. So if you just put 500 into the crypto when it was half a penny, you could have made 30 grand. All right. And even if you got out at that first pump at 20 cents, you could have turned that into 20K. The numbers add up, guys. They really add up. If you can just find these cryptos before the market realizes them, accumulate them, buy them, sit on them, don't do nothing. Just follow them, make sure they're still working. Okay. And then you sell at the top in the bull run. Okay. So let's tally up all of these gains, because you stand the chance of investing 1K into DSLA protocol, and then in the height of the next bull run, turning that into 48K, 50 grand. Let's add this up. All right. We have 57 grand with Equify, and this is conservative. All right. So we got 57 grand with Equify. I'm going to add this up. 57 plus 25 with Unibrite. That brings us up to 82K approximately, plus another 48 with DSLA. That brings us to approximately 130 grand from a 3K investment. That's awesome. That's major. I like those numbers. All right. Now all you got to do is buy these cryptos, accumulate them, and sit on them. All right. Now let's just say DSLA hit $1 billion market cap, which if it runs like Harmony, then it could totally hit that. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would give you an 18-cent DSLA. And your 1 grand would turn into 322K. Now, I can't guarantee it's going to hit this, but if it does have a Harmony 1 like run, then you can expect it to hit these numbers. All right. Because when that hype and that FOMO kicks in, you got all these people in the market going risk on, trying to figure out where they're going to put their money into the next hot altcoin. DSLA could be one of them. And if not, selling at 2 to 3 cents from where it is now is a crazy gain. And I think that 2 to 3 cents is realistic. That's a realistic price point for DSLA next bull run. All right, guys. So check out these 3 cryptos. Do your own DD. Figure out if you want to get in on them. Unibrite is at the low. I don't think it's going lower than this, in my personal opinion, unless Bitcoin were to totally crash. I think that 17, 18 cents, this is the bottom of this crypto. And if it did dump to 15 or 10 cents, I would be looking to add to my position because I think it's going back to $4. All right, guys. So shouts out to everybody in the DeFi Moneyverse Telegram group, all of my patrons. I appreciate you guys. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash up the likes. All right. We're going to get through this. And I think we got another 6 to 12 months, maybe, of just waiting for this bull run to kick off. Okay. So it's just patience. Patience pays in the crypto bear market. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. and I'll be back soon. Deuce Crypto out.